So the first thing that you need to do is download your images. So what you want to do is you want to download them as a folder. So when you're in Google Drive, you should have sent these to Google Drive. You're going to go up to the title of the folder that they're in, and it should say Monster Animation or something along those lines. And you want to download the whole folder and go ahead and save. Then, once you have that saved to your machine, then we're going to close Google Chrome and we're going to open Premiere. Once you have the zip file on your machine, go ahead and double click it and open it. It'll be the entire folder of your images. What you want to do is make sure that they're all there, and mine are there. And then we're going to go ahead and open Premiere. So do that however you normally do that. So usually I go ahead and I just go to my Launchpad. Once we have Premiere open, then we're going to start importing each one of these images in, but we have to do some changes to the main program properties to begin with. So once this opens, I'll show you how to do that. So what you want to do is you want to get a new project and try and title it something other than Untitled. That is a bad title for stuff because you'll be writing over the top of things. So I'm going to call this Monster Animation, and then I'm going to move this to my desktop because this is saving in a weird folder. So we want to make sure that it's saving to the desktop. And it's asking me because I already have one that's titled that. It's my folder, so we want to make sure that it's titled something other than the folder that came in out of Google, and then go ahead and save it. Okay, then we can skip the area where we're kind of importing to begin with because we want to just bypass that. And then we're going to go up to where it says Premiere Pro. Go ahead and go to Settings and then go to Timeline. Once the timeline's open, what I would do on a hand-drawn animation is I would change this to 10 frames a second. That's what we're pretty much animating at. So that needs to be 10 frames. Then you're going to need to move down to where it says 5 seconds. We're going to move that to frames. This is the still image default duration, and we want to change that to 1. Go ahead and hit OK. You need to do this first. If you don't do it first, it will mess up your entire video. Then once you want to import, you're going to go to where that imported in, and it's on my desktop. I have a file folder that says Monster Animation. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to multiple select by choosing the very first one, holding Shift, and then clicking on all of them. And then what I want to do is I want to import all into my file or into my bin in the top left-hand corner. Then what you want to do is you can pick them up and drag them and drop them, but you're going to notice that they are all out of order, and this is not helpful. Okay, so what you might want to do is not import them like that right off the bat because you don't know what order they were chosen in. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Start all the way at the top. Again, use your multiple select and hold the Shift key and then drag and drop them down to the bottom. And they should come in order. Double check it. It should be very, very short. Remember, this is a 10 frame a second animation and you only shot 80 frames. So it's only going to be like 8 seconds. Okay, go ahead and hit play and it should run. And then there it is. It's inside of Premiere. At this point, then you can add audio, titles, and then you're done. And you can go ahead and turn in the the MP4 file. Okay, good luck.